Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and this video is going to be a 6-part advanced warm-up in the key of E major. We're going to just jump right into the warm-up. If you'd like a few more tips on technique or strategies for playing the warm-ups, please view the similar videos in the key of C and G, and I have a few more tips in those videos for you. We're going to start with scales. We're going to do right, left, together, E major, so 4 sharps, and we'll do metronome at 90. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Left hand. Together. I'd like to just share one tip for playing these scales with a lot of black keys. See if you can grip the black keys kind of on the edge of it, not get in too far. That'll make them a little more precise. All right, part 2 of this warm-up is called the formula pattern scale, or sometimes is known as the grand scale. What we're gonna do is we're gonna practice parallel and contrary motion. We're gonna go up for 2 octaves, then out, then in, then up, down, out, in, down. Strive to have 4 notes per click. Sometimes it might not feel like it's lining up with the metronome, and that just has to do with the switch of direction. So just listen for 4 notes a click. I'm setting this at metronome 80, tiny bit slower than the parallel 4-octave scales. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Up. Out. Out, in, down. One other thing about playing all of these scales, I recommend allowing your body to move to the right or the left on the bench so it can stay behind your hands as much as possible. Part 3 of the warm-up, we're going to do arpeggios in each inversion. For the arpeggios, we're going to do metronome 90 and triplet subdivision, so 3 notes per click. Right hand fingering is 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Left hand is going to be 5, 4, 2, 1. Here we go. Now I'm going to move the right hand down here. First inversion, 2 options, 2, 1, 2, 4 or 2, 1, 2, 3. Ready, and. Left hand is 4, 2, 1. Ready, go. And then finally, second inversion, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 4. Ready, and. Left hand, 5, 3, 2, 1. Ready, go. As you get more confident with those, then go ahead and put hands together. The next part of the warm-up is the chord progression. Basic harmonies you're going to hear if you're playing a piece in E major. We're going to do all inversions. We're going to start with root position, E, 1, up to 4, A major, second inversion, back down to 1, E major, down to 5, B, first inversion, add the 7th, B7, 1, 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 7. Now, first inversion, same thing. E first inversion, moves up to 4, A major, root, back down to E, down to B, second inversion, add the 7, B7, back to 1, 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 7, 1. Starting in second inversion, 1, up to 4, A major, first inversion, back down to 1, down to 5, root position, add the 7, and 1. 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 7, 1. Part 5 of the warm-up, we're going to do 4-note broken and blocked chords in the tonic, in the 1 chord. We'll do this with the metronome also. Metronome equals 90. The goal is to pass through the notes and get ready for the next position. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Left hand. Now I'll do hands together, 1 octave apart and 2 octaves apart. Here we go. Ready? And ready? Go. And now the final part of our warm-up is going to be a chromatic scale. We're going to do 2 octaves, forte, then piano, hands separately with the metronome at 90. We're going to do E to E because that's which key we're doing. And the fingering is 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, etc. Forte first, right hand. Notice the angle of my hand. I'm not straight on, I'm angling a little bit to make it a little easier for that black key. Ready, and. Piano. Left hand, same thing. Forte first. And piano. Thank you for doing the advanced warm-up with me in the key of E major. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope if you have any questions, you'll please leave those for me in the comments. Also, if you enjoy this style of teaching, please make sure to subscribe, share, mention at Olympia Piano in your social media, and even donate to the channel, which you can do directly, or you can do through YouTube Super Thanks, which you can find at the bottom of your screen. Share, save, then you'll see 3 dots. Thanks, that's the YouTube Super Thanks, and that generosity allows me to create more videos like this to share with more people around the world. I love that the piano can bring us together, so I love to know where you're from. Please leave that for me in the comments, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. As always, thank you for watching.